If you're a civil engineering student, you need to hear this. India just built something the world's never seen before. Ready to get inspired? The Chenab Rail Bridge, 359 meters above the riverbed of Chenab, which is 35 meters higher than the Eiffel Tower. This bridge is now the world's highest railway arch bridge, officially open and running trains as of June 2025. This isn't just a bridge, it's a symbol of ambition and grit. Spanning 1,315 meters with a 467-meter main arch, the bridge's deck is 13.5 meters wide and has 2 tracks. Built with over 28,000 tons of steel, cost approximately 1486 crores. It's earthquake-proof with seismic activity up to magnitude 8, wind-resistant up to speed 260 km/h, temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, and designed to last more than 120 years, even in Himalayan extremes. For future engineers, this is your live masterclass in structural design, material science, and pure determination. India turned a 130-year-old dream into reality. So, dream big, build bold, and remember, you could create the next global landmark. Subscribe Engineering with Mindfulness for more marvels. Thanks for watching.